In this video, I am going to explain about fast Fourier transform. Introduction. In the year 1965, the two professors Cooley and Tukey proposed fast Fourier transform, which is highly efficient procedure for computing the discrete Fourier transform of a finite series with less number of computations. FFT is highly elegant and efficient algorithm, which is still one of the most used algorithm in signal processing, frequency estimation, communication, and so on. Also, it is used in digital spectral analysis, filter simulation, autocorrelation, etc. FFT is based on divide and conquer approach. FFT is based on decomposition and breaking the algorithm into smaller algorithm and combine them to get the total FFT algorithm. What is FFT? The fast Fourier transform is an algorithm used to compute the discrete Fourier transform. It makes use of symmetry and periodicity properties of Tudor factor W of n to effectively reduce the DFT computation time. The equation is given by x of k equal to summation of n equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into w of n into n into k, where w of n equal to e to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n, where x of n can be real or complex. W of n is called the Tudor factor or phase factor, which is a complex number. FFT DFT involves n minus 1 complex addition and n complex multiplication. For all n value of x of k, the number of complex multiplication record is n square and total number of complex addition record is n into n minus 1. Why we use FFT? It saves time and it saves calculation, because when we talk about discrete Fourier transform, the calculation part is more, so it takes more time. So to avoid this, we use fast Fourier transform. Basically, fast Fourier transform is faster than DFT. We'll just compare the computation complexity for direct computation of DFT and fast Fourier transform. Number of points, direct computation, now complex multiplication, complex addition. In DIT FFT algorithm, complex multiplication and complex addition. Last, find speed improvement for multiplication. First, let us take the point as 4. Complex multiplication is 16. Complex addition is 12 in DFT. But in DIT FFT, complex multiplication is 4. Complex addition is 8. The speed improved to 4 times. Another one example. Let us take the number of point is 32. Number of complex multiplication is 1024. Complex additions are 992. But in DIT FFT algorithm, 80 complex multiplication, 160 complex additions. 12.8 times the speed is improved for multiplication. From this, we can say DIT FFT algorithm is the best. Properties of fast Fourier transform. Two important properties. One is symmetry and the second one is periodicity property. FFT reduces number of complex multiplication required to perform DFT from n square to n by 2 log base 2 into n. We'll just see the proof. Symmetry property. W of n raised k plus n by 2 equal to minus W of n raised to k. We know that W of n equal to e to the power of minus j into 2 pi divided by n. Substitute the value here, e to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n into k plus n by 2. E to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n into k into e to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n and n. N and n, 2 and 2 get cancel each other. You will get remaining e to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n into k. We know the value for e to the power of minus j 2 j pi is cos pi minus j sin pi equal to minus 1. Substitute the value here so that we will get minus W of n raised to k. Next property is periodicity property. W of n raised k plus n equal to W of n raised to k. We know W of n equal to e to the power of minus j 2 pi by n. Substitute here e to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n into k plus n. E to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n into k into e to the power of minus j 2 pi. We know that e to the power of minus j 2 pi is cos 2 pi minus sine 2 pi equal to 1. Substitute the value here so that we will get W of n raised to k. So that we can able to say W of n raised to k plus n equal to W of n raised to k. Another one important condition is W of n raised square equal to W of n by 2. So we know W of n equal to e to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n. Substitute here e to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n by 2. This one we can able to rewrite as e to the power of minus j 2 pi by n the whole square. Then we can able to say that W of n the whole square equal to W of n by 2. Direct computation of DFT does not exploit the symmetry and periodicity property. FFT algorithm. Two important algorithms are there. First one is decimation in time algorithm. The second one is decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. Butterfly structure. The basic computation of every stage of signal flow graph is represented by general structure known as butterfly computation. In this, two complex numbers, let us say A and B, multiply B by a Tudel factor component W of n raised to r and then add and subtract the product from A to form a new complex numbers A and B. This basic computation is called as butterfly because this resembles the butterfly. This is the butterfly flow graph. Two inputs are given A and B. This is called as Tudel factor. Draw true straight lines. The arrow represents +1. The base of the last line arrow represents -1. Here number of two complex addition and one complex multiplication. This butterfly operation requires shuffling the data and reversal. How to write the x of n in DIT FFT algorithm? The x of n values are given as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 7. For this you want to write the binary number. Then you want to write the reverse of the binary number. For 0 no change. For 0, 0, 1 you want to write it as 1, 0, 0. For 0, 1, 0 no change. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. For 1, 0, 0 it is 0, 0, 1. For 1, 0, 1 no change. 1, 1, 0 it is 0, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 1 no change. For this value write the decimal value. This is the input value you want to give in the input side of the decimation in time FFT algorithm. Let us see. Decimation in time FFT algorithm. It consists of 3 stages. First stage, second stage, third stage. The inputs should be shuffled in the bit reversal order. Output will be in the natural order. Here we will have 4 2-point DFTs. Here 2 4-point DFTs and here 1 8-point DFTs. This is the flow graph for the 8-point decimation in time FFT algorithm. Here first step, write all the input values in the bit reversal order. Then do the butterfly operation. Baseline, draw 8 horizontal lines and then mark all the points. First stage 4 butterfly operation will come. In the second stage combination of this 2 and you can able to draw the 4-point DFT and the combination of this 2 you can able to draw the 8-point DFT. Here every baseline in the first stage every baseline -1 will be added and again the second stage base of the last 2 lines should be represented by -1. Also in front of the line you want to write the Tudel factor W of 8 raised to 0, W of 8 raised to 2. Same procedure here And in the third stage, base of the last 4 lines should be written by -1, and the total factor here written as W of 8 raised to 0, W of 8 raised to 1, W of 8 raised to 2, and W of 8 raised to 3. And now we will see how to write the total factor. We know W of n equal to e to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by n. N here is 8. So you can able to write e to the power of minus j 2 pi divided by 8 equal to e to the power of minus j pi by 4. Now e to the power of minus j pi by 4 raised to 0. Each value when you substitute anything raised to 0, the value is 1. W of 8 raised to 1. Substitute the value e to the power of minus j pi by 4 raised to into 1 equal to e to the power of minus j pi by 4. The value is cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4. It is written as 0.707 minus j 0.7071. Otherwise, 1 divided by root 2 minus j 1 divided by root 2. Second, next value, W of 8 raised to 2. Substitute the value e to the power of minus j pi by 4 into 2. So, you will get e to the power of minus j by 2. It is cos pi by 2 minus j sin by 2. The value is minus j. Next, W of 8 raised to 3. When you substitute the value, you will get cos 3 pi by 4 minus j 3 pi by 4. The value is equal to minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. These are the values you want to write it here. Here, W of 8 raised to a 0 equal to 1, W of 8 raised to 1 equal to 0.707 minus j 0.701. Here W of 8 raised to 2 equal to minus j. W of 8 raised to 3 is equal to minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. Next we will see 8-point decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. Here also 3 stages. First stage, second stage, third stage. Decimation means divide. Here in the input side, you want to write it in the natural order, but here you want to get the output in the bit reversal order for the frequency decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. Now we see the difference between the DIT and DIF FFT algorithm. First, DI decimation in time. The next one, decimation in frequency. First, we about decimation in time. First point, DIT FFT algorithm are based upon decomposition of input sequence into smaller and smaller subsequences. Second point, input sequence X of n is splitted into even and odd number of samples. Third, splitting operation is done on time domain sequence. Finally, in DIT FFT, input sequence is in bit reverse order, while the output sequence is in the natural order. But in decimation in frequency, DIF FFT algorithm is based on decomposition of output sequence into smaller and smaller subsequences. Output sequence X of k is considered to be splitted into even and odd number of samples. Splitting operation is done on frequency domain sequence. Last, DIF FFT input sequence is in natural order, but DFT should be read in the bit reversal order. Thank you.